Alright guys, I think they're all booted up. So we're going to go ahead and see if it works. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's try that again. This one. Okay. As you guys can see, brand new out of the box, haven't been touched. Okay, so we'll see. We'll get this onto the phone. As I said, guys, absolutely no setup whatsoever. So all they need to do to get this onto your phone is download the app, log in, and it works. So there's no QR code or IP address. So we're going to go ahead and download the app. Now, just to save some time, guys, I've gone ahead and downloaded the app. So the app's called Smartplus. Smartplus. So all you need to do is on the app, enter your phone number, press obtain code. Okay, you get sent a code. Okay, log in using your code. Okay, so let's see if it works. Guys, press the doorbell. Okay, as you guys can see here. Right. Enter. Perfect. Now how about the other ones? Move back a little bit. Try the other ones. Close this one. Okay, guys, you can see it's popped up. Okay, I'll hang up. Okay, next one. Again, you can see. So I'll just hang up. Again, another one. Okay, you can see. Again. Okay. Perfect. Now, as you guys can see there, to get on your phone, absolutely no setup whatsoever. Now, the other issue that most intercoms will have is when customers change their IP address or internet provider, it stops working. Not with this system. So just for exercise purpose, I'll show you guys. I have this intercom plugged into our local internet, into a switch. So what I'm going to do, I have here a 4G router. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to unplug it from our local network and use this 4G router and plug it into this 4G router and see if it still rings. Okay. So we unplug it from our local internet. Okay. Look internet. Plug this in using the 4G router. Now, let's give it a moment just to obtain a connection. Guys, this system doesn't work off IP address. So things like setting up IP addresses, IP issues down the track, or even firmware issues. Most of our competitors' intercoms, when firmware change, it will not work with older devices, not with our one. It doesn't matter if our with this smart intercom the firmware is 10 years old, it will still work with firmware that's been released yesterday, for example. Okay, so what we're going to do a test run. So that's now plugged into a 4G router. Press the doorbell, see if it still calls. Okay. As you guys can see. Okay. Still works. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy that. Guys, this will save you a lot of time, a lot of headache when you're on site. To get this to work, to get this onto your phone is as simple as plug and play. Thanks guys.